All right, here's something I haven't seen before, guys. My battery died while it was in the garage and I was working on it. I have an anti-gravity battery that has a button you can press to have a battery backup. It lets you get power back to the car and start it, but it looks like it put it in protect mode, whatever that does. But I have no instrument panel lights, which is very interesting. The HVAC seems to work. I can roll windows up. I can drive the car. I haven't tried to drive out of the driveway to see if it's like in limp mode as well, or if it's just strictly some weird electrical thing. So let me look into this. All right, so this is the CDR24, and what I'm reading is if your battery dies or you move it to another vehicle, it can't communicate with the most system, and you need to do the delivery. I guess if you take it to a Porsche dealership, they can do that delivery option coding thing, whatever it is that I figured out before using the P-Wiz. And you can reset it yourself with that. So if just leaving the car connected to your battery and driving around for a while does not make this come back on, for me, what the problem was is my dash lights were not on, and turns out I had a blown fuse. So I made a separate video for how to fix that. As soon as I fixed that, this protected issue went away and my radio started working. So if you have this type of radio, those are the things to check. All right, guys, hope this helped you figure something out. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and you will catch all of the new Cayman content coming out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.